gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Think the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is a downgrade? On paper, it loses the 1-inch main sensor and dual telephoto setup. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. So is the smaller 1/1.2-inch sensor enough? And can a 200 megapixel telephoto really replace the old 9.4x optical zoom? The results might surprise you. To find out, I tested this phone in 3 completely different locations. First up, the main camera. Most people expect weaker dynamic range, poorer highlights, and worse low-light performance without a 1-inch sensor. But my first stop, a train station with tricky mixed lighting, told a very different story. Comparing the shots closely, highlight detail, light halos, and shadow detail were almost identical. In some areas, the Pura 90 Pro Max actually performed slightly better. The only drawback was that strong overhead lights made the floodlight effect a bit more noticeable. Huawei also introduced the new X-MAGE direct shooting feature. Turn it on and the phone automatically selects the best color profile for the scene, adjusting color temperature and saturation before you even shoot. The result? Photos look richer, brighter, and far more vibrant. I also pushed the files through heavy editing. Even after demanding adjustments, image quality stayed impressive. The smaller sensor didn't cause any major quality loss. Instead, Huawei's improved processing delivered brighter photos, better shadow detail, richer colors, and smoother tonal transitions. But the real surprise is the 200 megapixel telephoto camera. It uses the largest sensor in its class, and honestly, the results stand out from almost every smartphone telephoto system I've tested. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible amount of detail. Zoom in and tiny textures suddenly appear that most phones simply can't capture. Even many standard 1x or 4x telephoto cameras struggle to reach this level. That huge resolution gives you much more freedom to crop. I tested it at the zoo using the high resolution mode. It requires a steady hand, but the extra detail is absolutely worth it. Even at 10x zoom, distant animals remained sharp with noticeably more detail. File size and resolution clearly reflected the improvement. For closer subjects, the advantage of having 4 times the resolution became even more obvious. So, is high resolution really the future? I tested 10x, 20x, and 30x zoom, and Huawei has clearly optimized all 3. What's even more impressive is that the sharpening begins before you press the shutter. Compared to other flagship phones, even the live preview already looks sharper. Finally, there's Huawei's X-MAGE intelligent shooting. It doesn't just improve photos, it actually understands the scene. In places like train stations or exhibition halls, it can automatically recommend panorama mode, helping you capture the entire scene with almost no effort. The best part? Every X-MAGE color profile updates live on the screen, so you instantly see the difference before taking the shot. But where it really shines is portrait photography. The moment you open the camera, it recognizes the scene, switches modes automatically, and keeps improving the composition in real time. Pick one of the suggested color styles, and it even recommends poses that match the scene. Since everything is shown on the display, you always know where to stand and how to frame the shot. It honestly feels like having a personal photographer built into your phone. That said, if your biggest priority is squeezing every bit of detail from the 200 megapixel telephoto camera, these X-MAGE selfie features probably won't be the main reason to buy it. Now comes the fun part, editing. One standout feature is the new 3D surround effect for dynamic photos. Turn it on and the phone creates a bullet time style animation around your subject, making photos feel much more immersive. Huawei also adds AISO image processing, and surprisingly, it doesn't look fake. One mode darkens the background to highlight your subject, while another recreates a natural flash-like effect by balancing light and shadows. The results look realistic, not overprocessed. Moving to the front camera, the Pura 90 Pro Max continues to impress. Its ultra-wide selfie camera easily captures both you and the background, even in tight spaces like inside a car. I've even used it to shoot several YouTube thumbnail photos. The front portrait camera also includes AI pose suggestions, making it much easier to capture flattering, well-composed selfies. And beyond the cameras, Huawei includes several thoughtful features that improve the overall experience. Take the display, for example. It's incredibly bright, easy to see outdoors, and the anti-reflective coating makes visibility even better. Huawei also adds fun pet-themed wallpapers with interactive charging animations that give the phone extra personality. There's even a privacy alert. If someone tries to look at your screen, the phone can warn you. It works across many apps and becomes especially useful when viewing or editing photos in public. After spending time with the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, one thing is clear. Even if the hardware looks less impressive on paper, the real-world performance tells a different story. The main camera is consistently reliable, the telephoto camera exceeds expectations, and X-MAGE's AI tools make photography easier than ever. This isn't just a flagship with excellent image quality. It's a phone that actively helps you frame better shots, improve compositions, and capture stunning photos with less effort.